Yes, Happy New Year. When we tell you that Igbo people owns Lagos and Yoruba people are shouting, ranting, and making noise, look up. What you're seeing up is how it is right now in Lagos. The streets are deserted. The shops, you see few shops open. This is just about 40% of the Igbos traveled to their homeland for Christmas just to enjoy themselves. You see how Lagos look like? People are shouting, Igbo people should leave Lagos. They will chase them out of Lagos. Oga, if you chase Igbo people out just only 1 week, you people will cry like ewu. You know ekute, you will cry like ekute. You know how goat used to shout? That's the way you shout. Yes, you will see sound like the way goat used to make sound. That will be the response. Guy, na Igbo people get Lagos. Go round and see how scanty the whole streets look. Even though it's just 40%. There are many Igbos there. They never traveled there. A lot are still in Lagos. They didn't travel. Just 40% of Igbos traveled. And Lagos and Abuja and every other city. Not only Lagos, we just talk about Lagos and Abuja. Go and look how both states are looking. I don't want to go to the west or other side. Other side are nothing. Igbos, when they go home, everywhere is standstill. Who is going to say, what are you going to buy? Who is said to you? Nobody. You get the point. So we need to know all this facts. And the Igbos don't beg. Go and see what they are sharing in one Yoruba land. They are sharing loaf of bread. I see people scrambling. They queue up. They thought that the man on top, the T-Pain, is going to give them each person two bags of rice. They were sharing one tiny loaf of bread, like a gege bread. Thousands of people queue up. One loaf of bread. The bread, if this is bread, look, this is bread. And I can't press it. That one, I will use one hand and squeeze it like this. You are not going to see it. That's what they shared. They thought that T-Pain wanted to give them 1 million. And when they saw that it was loaf of bread, many were disappointed. Go to Igbo land. They pack thousands of bags of rice on the street. When you come, they direct you, go there and carry one by yourself. Go and carry one. When you carry, you queue up and go and take tomatoes and take some money to buy meat or fish to cook the rice. Bag of rice, not half bag, 50 kg. Na Igbo get Lagos and Abuja, whether you like it or not. Go and count the hotels in Abuja. Go to Lagos and count the hotels. Who get them? Na Igbo people. I don't want to talk market. So when they tell you that it's Igbo people that owns Lagos, don't argue it. If you are arguing it, you are looking up, see how the environment, and you see how deserted. It's looking like a ghost town. Nobody is there. Even though there are more than 60% of Igbos still in Lagos, still in Abuja, but the big guys went home to enjoy. And it's happening in the east. Go look. When they show you picture of enjoyment, you bow down now. Go and see how many, more than 100,000 bags of rice Ato is shared to every village. Bags. More than 100,000 bags. With money in dollar, not naira. And you are here making noise, shouting. Now Igbo get Lagos. If you not like, na jealousy go dey disturb una. Envy, na go dey worry una. But na them get am. Lagos, na Igbo get am. Even though tomorrow they do election, if they do election proper, nobody will win it. Igbo man will vote everybody in. I tell you, if no rigging, Abuja, Igbo go vote people in. Lagos, Igbo go vote people in. You know the fact. So let us stop beating about the bush and stop ranting. Let us give these guys respect. They deserve it. They are very strong and powerful. That's the reality. Look at how Lagos is looking. Look at how Abuja is looking. Very scanty. Because Igbo just say, let us go home and enjoy for 1, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. Look at how Lagos is looking. Now, if you want to go and buy spare parts now, maybe some shops are closed. I bet you, go and buy. Some shop, they will tell you the owner of the shop will come back in January. That's what they're going to tell you. And what are you going to do? You want to import from abroad? You go and import from abroad now. Since you say you are, who is Igbo people? They are criminals, they are this, they are doing this, they are doing that. You accuse them. But they are the owner of the shops. They are the owner. You cannot sell everything, but they sell it. That's the reality. So let us give respect to these Igbo people. They deserve it. Because you cannot endure like them. You can't. They have done a lot to improve and to develop the country. And when they speak, you must listen. This is the nature of Lagos. Look at how scanty. Even people don't see what they want to buy because the guys some of them have lost their shop. You understand? People who didn't travel are people who are managing or they don't want to go. Yes, maybe security-wise, they don't want to go. Otherwise, big guys, they travel home and they are enjoying. Go home and see how everywhere is bubbling. Everybody is happy. There is no family that didn't welcome one person. You understand? So we have to really understand that Nigeria cannot work without these guys, whether you like it or not. If truly they want to even talk about Nigeria without Igbo people, forget it. So this is all we have in TE Comedy Page today. We don't have a lot to talk here, but we just want to show you the situation, what is happening in Abuja, what is happening in Lagos, and the tribe that is making it happen this way. We just have to respect them. This is it. If they are not around, nothing is happening. Everything is happening in their place right now. Until they come back, the place will be busy again. Everywhere is scanty in Lagos. Everybody, Yorubas are quiet. Every Yoruba person is quiet. Even if he's president, they are all quiet. They are quiet. Look at everywhere. Nobody will tell you when they are not around. Everywhere is quiet. Quiet. Very, very quiet. This is the situation in Lagos. We are reporting and we keep bringing you updates of what is going on in Nigeria. Thank you so much and keep watching TE Comedy Page, Travelers Experience, TE Comedy Page. Subscribe to our YouTube. See you very soon. Thank you.